Hello guys, so today I'm gonna make a video for DIY one tutorial. Okay, so first you need popsicle sticks. If you need two popsicle sticks, a crayon, I'm gonna use my goldenrod crayon, and find the yellow one, and then I'm gonna use scissors, paper, and tape. First, we need two popsicle sticks, and I get like this. Put it like this, and tape them together very big until it looks like this. Okay, and then next you need to draw U4 paper like this. Then you make a star here. Color it and cut it after you got two. So you color the other side, you tape them together, and have a DIY one. Bye guys, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.